Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're talking about these. This is the Tusk LED front accent light with turn signals. Now we offer these for a lot of different side-by-sides to see if we carry it for your machine. Just head to RockyMountainATV.com or click the link in the description. And on the product page, enter the year, make, and model. And if your machine pops up, these will fit it. What makes these accent lights unique, these have wiring to make them a turn signal as well. They will have an amber turn signal built in. So it's direct plug and play. You just remove your stock accent lights now, you pop these in, OEM fitment, plug and play there. Then you will have the one wire that you're gonna splice into your turn signal, and now you have accent lights with your turn signal. Keep in mind, if your machine didn't come with accent lights, well, you can buy these, but if you want to use the turn signal function, you will also need a signal kit. Here's the beautiful part. If you don't already have a turn signal kit, we have our plug and play signal and horn kit kitted with accent lights. So when you buy the whole kit, you wire it all up, you get your horn, you get your wiring for your turn signals, and you get your accent lights. So you're gonna get that OEM look with these, and it's just cleaner because you're not gonna have to drill any holes for any sort of button lights or turn signals because they will just be built into the accent light. So no matter what your needs are, we've got you covered. Again, OEM fitment, turn signal built in. If you have questions or comments about these, leave that down below. We'll help to get those answered. To grab a set to see if we carry them again for your UTV, click the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. And if you always want to stay up to date on products like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.